Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make spongy and juicy rasgulla. Let's start it. For rasgulla, here I am taking 1 liter of milk. First pour milk into a dish, switch on the flame, boil it. When milk starts boiling, stir it. Then add around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir it well. Stir it till water gets separated from paneer. After separates the water, switch off the flame. Then take a strainer, put one cloth on the strainer, put curdled milk on the cloth and 1 cup of water. Drain out the water and squeeze it. After squeeze it, keep aside, rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove it in a plate and crumble it well. Then use palm, smash the paneer well. Smash the paneer till it becomes smooth. Here paneer is soft and smooth. Let's to make rasgulla. This is perfect texture for rasgulla. Make it into small ball properly. Don't keep any crack. If crack are there, it will break. Make small ball, all of them. Keep aside and cover it. Let's go to make it sugar syrup. Take a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, then add 3 cup of water. Stir it well till the sugar dissolves. Then add 3 to 4 crushed cardamom. Stir it well. Boil for 5 minutes. Now sugar syrup is ready. Drop paneer ball one by one slowly. Cover the lid for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir it well and again cover it. After 10 minutes, rasgulla is ready. Switch off the flame and keep aside. Rest it for cool. After cool the rasgulla, serve it. Here is ready spongy and juicy rasgulla.